sprints every 5 minutes. And you will be nice. You will be very nice. You will ask a lot of questions. You will be extremely naughty. I'm not sure about you. We'll see, you're a wild card. We'll see what happens. I'd like to start you all off with some relaxing exercises. And if you care to join me, please arise and begin to shake out your wrists like this. I think that's teachers. You will find it's my own herbal mixture of flowers and my own urine. Shake, 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 shake. Shake to the sky. Shake high. Shake to the ground. Shake low. Now shake that root thing.
It's my vodka.
Now, breathe in. Breathe in the sounds of softness. In every way, I am saturated. I swim deeply within the pool of the soft floor. We're all doing very well. Now, keep going. I'd like you to add some hand gestures, expressing the wonderful, you're all doing fabulously. Now stop. Now repeat, carry on walking. And stop! And again. I spent 15 years studying the teachings of Dr. Feldman, Theodophilus Parnassus, and I am very careful to stick zealously to his teachings. Out your hands like this. Moving apart into our own individual spaces. I feel deeply religious about it, but not in the conventional sense of the word. As in, I don't have to do anything funny with the cross.